friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create gold text effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva, and here we have just selected a blank image template, and now we are going to elements, and here we are going to search for G golden. We are going to graphics. I'm going to tell you two methods, right? So whatever the method you like the most, you can simply select that particular method, right? So here I have just selected G. Now I'm going to click on see all, and here we can simply find the O as well, right? And simply in the same manner you can find L. Let's search for the L, because in this method there is an issue that sometimes same kind of texture might be you do not find, right? So I'm going to teach you both the methods, right? So in this manner you can simply write a golden text. Now coming to the second method, so we are creating a new page, right? Add page, we can do okay, and here we are going to search for frames, right? G frame, and in the all you will find frame. Just click on see all, right? And here it is G. Now search for the O frame, O. Now search for the L frame. Sir, L for Las Vegas? Yeah, my dear friend, L for Las Vegas. Now go for the D frame. Okay. Now here again in the elements, just search gold texture and come back to the all for photos. Yeah, in the photos. Here in the photos, just find some good gold texture, right? Whatever you like the most, tippy top, what color you want. Okay, similarly put it in the second, third and fourth, right? Now what next, sir? You can add effect as well of glow, right? Whatever the color you want, tippy top. So why tippy top? Okay, so in this manner you can simply add a gold text effect in Canva. Apart from that, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.